We're using my felt wheel to polish. You see how he gets the camera right in my face?
Yeah.
And he expects me to like...
Haven't you trained? I take it versus the husband?
Yes.
Yeah, I figured that. You know, you haven't trained him, have you?
No, I haven't.
I'm not
so
really trying to
we
get
get that
trouble
polish.
there, but, you know.
So we get that clear polish versus this cloudy. Yeah. Oh my God, not done yet.
No, okay.
You're so impatient, man. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, so there. This, you know what? This is a little bit more aggressive than the cerium, for example. So the surface was not exactly. It's not the most even. I could tell from here. But at least it's polishing. Maybe we can hit the cerium right after this too and get something. Oh, hello. We've got. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah,
Nice.
that is nice, and it's quick.
Yeah.
There, you don't.
You don't come around and ask the questions, right?
Yeah, you know, I know I could polish glass. It's in my glass kit for crying out loud. But this is really nice to see right off of, you know, another system. Wow.
Well, yeah, that wasn't final finish yet. But.
No, it wasn't final. But you can tell it's not completely flat, by the way. But who cares? It's polished. No one's going to come and measure it right now when you put it in the bezel. So that's
the thing you also uneven.
yes.
And I think you took the time to make them even.
I grind them a little bit first.
So do you see that?
That's me.
So it's this was before the very foggy.
He's worried about
And
people
this
getting
is
in there and doing
polished.
something and going flying out and
See how
doing all
clear
sorts of
that
crazy
is?
stuff. Because with those edges there, it can catch and pop. You know,
Yeah, really nice.
So
And that was
that's
done
what he's worried
here.
about.
So that was done, you guys, on the felt wheel with my polishing compound. So this is glass that you just made in class. What did you make in class? What is this? Layers and layers here
Dichroic.
of dichroic. So there we go. So if you do this kind of stuff, this is a great way to polish it at the end. And you know, you can touch it with the cerium, but it's really polished. So I don't know if you really, it really is. So there. So this was done on the Jool tool. So if you like the video, like the page or the video, and subscribe to my channel, JOOLTOOL.com. Okay, so let me try this.